Hey y'all, in this video I'm going to show you my idea for the E Revo 2.0 suspension limiting straps. I had problems pulling push rods. I've seen lots of other people have problems pulling push rods, and I wanted to make these straps eliminate that problem. I think I did it. It took a little bit of measuring, a little bit of playing around. I did go through a few lower control arms, testing them out, finding the spacing for the holes and where I wanted the straps to limit the suspension to. So because my lighting's terrible in here, I'll be showing you these via pictures and captions. I hope it's clear enough and informational enough for you to be able to do this to your own truck. With all that said, let's check these things out. There you have it. That's my idea for the limiting straps on the E Revo 2.0. Hope you like them. I know I do. So, till next time, I don't know what I'm bringing you, but stay tuned. Like, subscribe, comment.